Okay, YouTube. I'm gonna attempt to show you guys how to make a free ringtone from mixertones.com. Um, Before I get into all this, if you guys want, you can leave me comments to ask, for more tutorials because I know a lot more than just this. Just whatever, just whatever you guys want to see, just tell me. But this is a ringtone. Somebody asked me on my older profile if I could do one on how to make a ringtone. I'm gonna start doing that right now. Go to mixertones.com. See if you can't read that right there. Mixertones. MYXERTONES. Um, and when you're gonna have to register so you can get in. It's all free. You don't have to worry about paying. Basically, your username and stuff. It's just your phone number. Um, if you wanted to make either a ringtone or if you wanted to upload a wallpaper, you just click right here. This will take you into your your profile, your home settings. Um, Preferably, you might want to use MP3s. They work a lot better. They load faster. I don't have any on on my computer right now, so unfortunately, I can't upload one. But I will walk you through it still. Get your one that you wanted to download. I'm using WMA, which is why I'm not going to be able to keep up. Um, So I'm just going to use one of the ones that I've done prior to this one. Um, so I'm going to just, for you guys click upload. I am going to click this. What you guys will get, this will pop up once you have already uploaded it. This little box right here is what you use to highlight what you want played. Like your favorite part of the song or whatever. Um, it stretches like to how long you need it to be. Um, what you right after you get that, you can listen to it if you wanted to. I am not going to because I have a headset in, and it will hurt my ears. Um, it's got one volume on it. You're able to adjust it. Just go to adjust ringtone volume. And if you have any troubleshooting, there's that little thing over here too, right above the ringtone volume. Over here, the fade out, I don't use because it sounds terrible. On some songs it sounds okay, but the other ones it sounds terrible. If you are like a local band of like a town or something and you guys want to make some ringtones or whatever, this is the best way to do it. You can also do the pictures, the Photoshop pictures. You have same exact way you just did with your music, except for you upload a picture. It works better with the JPEG, JPEG, you know. But once you get that down, you gotta send it to your phone once you're all done. I'm going to send it, and it won't take. See, it don't take too long. Let me see if you can see this really quick. My phone's really hard to see on this camera. Alright, well, it basically says there's a message. You want to click on OK. This one's gonna it's going to give you a link. What you want to go to is go to options and then scroll down to the go to button and click that. It'll take you over the internet, and actually, yeah, it's accessing the internet. This doesn't take too much time. Internet charges you by the minute, so it's something that you really don't have to worry about because it takes like a half a minute. Um, so right here it says, like, it's got an advertisement. Just scroll down to download ringtone, and once you do that, it'll take it into your phone's media player. Right after you get into the media player, just push OK and then save it. See, and I'm gonna go to store only right here, and then see, it already has the name right there. Then push OK, and that's how you make your ringtones. Same way with the video or the pictures. Again, upload like JPEG. They work better than any other ones. So yeah. Um. Again, leave some comments on what you guys might want to see next. Um, and I'll be more than happy to make more tutorials for you guys.